Hey everyone, we're going to talk about dilations again, and this time we're going to make it to where the center of the dilation is not necessarily the origin. So the origin is the point 0, 0, and that's how we have begun talking about dilations. But what if, for example, I want to dilate this red triangle, and I want to dilate it by a factor of 2, all right? And the center of my dilation is this time going to be the point 2, 1, all right? That's been given to me. So the center of dilation is going to be 2, 1. So if I want to dilate this by a factor of 2, all right, I need to think, well, I need to treat this as if it were the origin. That's my best advice to you. Treat the center of dilation as you treated the origin, all right, because it is now the center of everything. Okay, so you want to think, if my original point, all right, let's call this point A. If my original point A was 1 unit to the right and 2 units up, all right, so think of it as 1, 2, right? 1 unit to the right and 2 units up, then my A prime is going to be double that, right? Because I'm dilating by a factor of 2. So I'm going to go 2 to the right instead. So that's 1, 2, and up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It actually ends up at the same place where point B was. All right. So that is a little bit of how it's like dilating. You're really dilating this point by point. So A is now located here. All right. We're going to call that A prime. All right. Now we need to think about the point B, which is at the same place as A prime. Well, I'm going to do the same thing, kind of thinking like X's and then Y. So this is 2 points over, 2 points to the right, and 1, 2, 3, 4 points up. So 2, 4. All right, what I'm going to do is now I'm going to double that, and I'm going to go 4, 8. So I got 2, all right, or I can say 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm right here, and I'm going to go up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is the new location of B prime. All right, B is this little guy right here, same as A prime. Okay, so that's B prime. You'll notice that the slope is consistent. All right. And let's move on to make the third point of our triangle. All right, so again, I'm not even caring about the origin. All right, I'm doing all of this with my center of dilation. So I think, all right, to go to point C, I would have to go, and I have to resist the urge of doing the Y's first. I got to do my X's first. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units to the right, and 2 units down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to double that. So I'm going to go 10 units to the right. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 4 units down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I will be here. That is going to be C prime. All right. And I'm going to check that work. All right. I'm going to check that work, and fantastic. So that is, you notice that you have now a triangle that is twice as large, and it has been dilated with its center at the point 1, 2. So notice how that's different from the origin. Now, if I would have expanded this from the origin, I would have gotten a different location for this triangle. Right? So that is how you dilate a triangle, or really any figure, point by point. All right. If you know how to dilate a point, then you can dilate any polygon. Right? According to the center. Once again, look at your X displacement, then look at your Y displacement, and then apply your dilation factor.